Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving identity and gathering essentials. Have your ID, recovery email or phone ready, and note the device model and OS version. Next, disable or disconnect extra peripherals to avoid interference. Use the recovery portal or device-specific reset option and follow prompts to initiate a soft unlock. This clears temporary lock states without wiping data. Once done, verify network connectivity and wait for the confirmation code. Make sure to copy it exactly when it appears. Now you move into advanced steps. Boot into safe mode or the recovery partition so you can work without normal login barriers. Then run the manufacturer's unlock tool or use the admin console with elevated rights. This allows targeted reset of account flags and throttle counters. While the tool runs, monitor system logs and error codes and capture screenshots for troubleshooting. If prompted, reapply firmware signatures or security tokens. Doing this ensures integrity and prevents relock during the next log. Finish by re-enabling peripherals and performing a full reboot to let changes take effect. This completes state transitions the system needs. Then test login with the verified credentials and complete two-factor authentication to confirm success. If you still face a lockout, roll back any recent changes you made and review the captured logs for recurring error codes. If errors persist, escalate to vendor support with device details and logs. This is the fastest path to restore access without risking data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.